Do you ever feel like the mountain of books you want to read just keeps growing while your free time shrinks? You're not alone. Today I'll show you how to master the art of reading smarter, faster, and with more joy. Let's dive in. Harry S. Truman once said, "Not all readers are leaders, but all leaders are readers." And there's a reason for that. Reading not only entertains us, but also makes us smarter, more empathetic, and self-aware. Yet, many of us feel stuck, reading too slowly or forgetting what we read. Today, we're going to fix that with 6 game-changing hacks. Let's start with speed. Most of us read at the same speed we talk, and that's because of our inner monologue, the little voice in your head that reads every word. But here's the secret. You don't need that voice. Your brain is perfectly capable of processing words faster without it. At first, reading without sounding out words feels unnatural, but practice daily for just a few minutes, and you'll notice your eyes moving faster while still understanding everything. It's like shifting from a slow walk to a brisk jog, effortless once you've got the hang of it. Next up, let's stabilize your reading. Ever lose your place while reading or accidentally reread a line? That's because our eyes naturally jump around. The fix? Use your finger, a pen, or even a bookmark to guide your eyes along the text. This small change prevents unnecessary jumps, keeps you focused, and speeds you up by as much as 30%. Plus, it's super easy to do. Try it right now with whatever you're reading. Now let's talk about something controversial. You don't need to finish every book you start. Seriously, life is too short for boring books. Here's what I do. I give a book 10% of its pages. If it doesn't grab me by then, I skim the table of contents, read the interesting chapters, and move on. Remember, the goal of reading is to serve you, not for you to serve the book. And here's another tip. Most nonfiction books are repetitive. Once you get the main idea, don't feel guilty about skipping sections that don't add value. Why stick to just one book? I always have 3 on the go, one challenging, one educational, and one fun. This way, I can switch depending on my mood or energy level. Feeling curious? I dive into the educational book. Need a mental break? I pick up the fun one. This keeps things fresh and helps me read more without getting bored. Time is no excuse. Reading is the easiest hobby to fit into your life. You can read while commuting, during lunch, or even at the gym between sets. I play a little game with myself. Can I read more pages than I do exercises? It's silly, but it works. Consistency beats speed. Even if you read just 1 hour a day, you'll finish dozens of books a year. Trust me, it adds up fast. Here's a controversial truth. Highlighting doesn't help you remember. Studies show it's not effective unless you actually use the information. So, instead of decorating your book with colors, do this. After finishing a chapter, write a quick summary in your own words. Better yet, share what you've learned with a friend or apply it to your life. Remember, we retain what we use. If you read a book on nutrition, change your diet. If you read about productivity, tweak your habits. This is the key to making knowledge stick. Finally, don't stress about remembering every detail from every book. Focus on remembering where you found the information. For example, I've read dozens of psychology books. I can't recite them verbatim, but I know where to look if I need insights. Treat your library like a toolbox, always there when you need it. And there you have it. 6 powerful strategies to transform how you read. From speeding up your pace to picking the right books and actually remembering what you learn, these hacks will revolutionize your reading life.